Hello my friends and welcome back to the You
y
Can Do
se tira
TV
de los
channel.
dos extremos.
In this video, we will explore manually methods and modern machines that help recycle copper from old wires and electrical equipment. Besides, we will also explore the process of loudspeaker, smartphone and other electronic devices. In our rapidly advancing technological age, the accumulation of old wires and cables has become a significant environmental challenge. As we upgrade our electronic devices and embrace newer technologies, the disposal of obsolete cables poses a threat to the environment due to the
Luego se hace un
presence of
agujero con
hazardous
una mecha más
materials.
chica de uno de los
However,
costados.
recycling old wires and cables offers a sustainable solution to mitigate this environmental impact.
Y por último, se le pone un tornillo.
The proliferation of electronic devices in the last few decades has led to an exponential increase in electronic waste, e-waste.
Se agarra un
Wires
cable.
and cables, essential components of various electronic gadgets, contribute
10
significantly to
milímetros,
this
la mecha
growing
depende
waste
mucho
stream.
también. La que haga el agujero
According to
para el
recent
cable que utilice.
statistics,
Vale, 10
the
milímetros,
global
mecha 10
production of
milímetros,
electronic
un par de
waste is expected to reach
pasas para que
74
pueda
million metric tons by 2030, with wires and cables constituting a
se ajusta un poco
substantial
el
portion
tornillo.
of this waste. Properly managing and recycling these materials can have a profound impact on reducing environmental harm.
Bueno, de esta
Old
manera,
wires and cables are composed of various materials,
cable queda
including copper,
marcado
aluminum,
en la
and
cobertura
plastics.
plástica que tiene.
The extraction and
se tira de los
processing
dos
of these
extremos.
raw materials are resource intensive and contribute to
Liberando
environmental
el cobre
degradation.
fácilmente.
Recycling, on the other hand, conserves these valuable resources and reduces the demand for new extraction. For instance, recycling 1 ton
Obviamente
of
es más
copper
trabajoso,
saves
pero
around 15 metric
no
tons of
generemos
carbon dioxide
contaminación,
emissions compared to extracting new copper from
que
mines.
es tan perjudicial, ¿no? Bueno, básicamente así es.
Recycling old wires and cables involves a multi-step process that begins with collection and sorting. Collection centers play a crucial role in gathering these materials from various sources, including households, businesses, and electronic waste disposal sites. The sorted cables are then transported to recycling facilities where they undergo mechanical and manual separation to isolate different materials. The economic benefits of recycling old wires and cables are also noteworthy. The value of recovered materials, such as copper and aluminum, contributes to the economic viability of recycling programs. According to industry estimates, recycling 1 ton of copper can generate more than $6,000, providing a strong economic incentive for recycling initiatives. Additionally, recycling creates jobs in collection, transportation, and processing, contributing to local economies. Numbers underscore the positive impact of recycling old wires and cables. In the United States alone, it is estimated that the recycling industry prevents approximately 186 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. Furthermore, the recycling of copper and aluminum from electronic waste reduces the need for energy-intensive primary production, conserving energy and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. The environmental benefits of recycling old wires and cables extend beyond greenhouse gas reduction. The extraction and processing of raw materials involve environmentally harmful practices, such as deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution. By recycling, we can minimize these negative impacts and promote sustainable resource management. To encourage and facilitate wire and cable recycling, governments and environmental organizations play a crucial role. Implementing effective e-waste management policies, providing incentives for recycling initiatives, and raising public awareness are essential steps in creating a sustainable recycling ecosystem. Additionally, manufacturers can contribute by designing products with recyclability in mind, using materials that are easier to separate and recycle. The Guidetti WIRE PRO cable recycling plant represents a cutting-edge solution for efficiently recycling electric cables, providing a super effective and clean process. The recycling process begins with pre-shredders, robust and powerful units that prepare the material for further processing. These pre-shredders are versatile and compact, equipped with a conveyor belt featuring a magnetic pulley for efficient material handling. The series of pre-shredders can process various materials, such as electric cables, both copper and aluminum, non-ferrous metals, rubber, plastic, wood, composite materials, and paper, with a production capacity ranging from 300 to 3,000 kilograms per hour. To enhance the efficiency of the recycling process, Guidetti incorporates a dry separation table and separators of the Rabi series. The dry separator is designed to separate materials that are typically challenging to distinguish. It is particularly effective for the recovery of metals from electric cables, separating copper and aluminum or isolating these metals from PVC or rubber. The separators are versatile, suitable for various applications, including plastic and woodworking industries. The recycling plant also includes a metal dust recovery system, ensuring that valuable materials are not lost during the process. The use of big bags facilitates the collection and transportation of recycled materials, contributing to the overall efficiency of the system. The primary objective of this innovative system is to analyze and recycle copper wire, transforming it into a high-quality raw material for reuse. The plant is a part of Guidetti Recycling SRL's industrial waste recycling systems, offering a multifunctional solution for various materials, including cables, radiators, and aluminum cans. Key features and advantages of the WIRE PRO series include its ability to operate without emitting dust into the atmosphere, making it an environmentally friendly solution. The system is soundproofed, standing out as one of the most noiseless options in its field. It boasts lower energy consumption per ton of processed cable, making it efficient and cost-effective. The compact size of the plant requires minimal space, and it is designed for easy operation and maintenance. The complete plant for briquetting copper chips, manufactured by CO.MA.FER and implemented at CMO, Milan, Italy, is a comprehensive system designed to efficiently process and recycle metal shavings, specifically copper, through the production of cylindrical briquettes. The plant consists of several key components, each contributing to the seamless operation of the system. The process begins with the loading and unloading belts from the metal press series. A chip loading conveyor belt is employed to transport copper shavings to the briquetting machine. The belt is equipped with a liquid collection and recovery tank, ensuring efficient handling of the material. The conveyor system features a large hopper for material loading, a robust steel structure with reinforced sheet metal profiles, front support legs with feet, rear support wheels, welded steel side chain guides, and a painted steel hopper. The gear motor, directly connected to the drive shaft, controls the belt's operation, maintaining a consistent and controlled flow of material to the briquetting machine. The system also includes a level indicator and an electric pump with a level sensor for optimal performance. The metal press briquetting machines, at the core of the plant, are hydraulic devices tailored for achieving the highest compaction quality with maximum flexibility. These machines are designed to recycle and compact metal shavings, transforming them into cylindrical briquettes. The operational cycle involves a combination of mechanical and hydraulic processes at high pressures. A material containment hopper, equipped with an agitator, feeds the material into a fixed chamber. A hydraulic cylinder, controlling a sliding drawer, doses the material into a compaction chamber. Subsequently, a hydraulic compacting cylinder compresses the material within the chamber to form the briquette. A bulkhead, operated by a hydraulic cylinder, expels the final briquette. This plant not only offers a sustainable solution for handling copper shavings but also provides the flexibility to be integrated into indoor or outdoor fuel systems, making it a versatile and efficient component in metal recycling processes. Electric motors contain a mix of valuable materials, including aluminum, iron, and copper, and their efficient dismantling and recovery are essential for both environmental conservation and resource conservation. Copper, in particular, holds significant importance in the recycling process due to its exceptional conductivity, corrosion resistance, and malleability. According to industry statistics, electric motors typically consist of about 20 to 30% copper by weight. This makes copper one of the most sought-after materials in the recycling of electric motors. The dismantling process involves carefully disassembling the electric motor to extract its components, and specialized equipment is employed for this purpose. Once the motor is disassembled, the recovery of raw materials begins, with a focus on extracting aluminum, iron, and, most importantly, copper. In terms of specific numbers, the recycling rates for these materials are noteworthy. On average, electric motor recycling processes can recover up to 97% of the aluminum content, promoting significant resource efficiency. Iron recovery rates are also impressive, with approximately 95% of the iron being reclaimed for reuse. The true significance lies in the copper recovery process, where advanced technologies and methods have enabled the extraction of up to 90% of the copper from electric motors. Given the increasing demand for copper in various industries, such high recovery rates not only contribute to the conservation of natural resources but also reduce the environmental impact associated with mining and refining new copper. Beyond the environmental benefits, the economic implications of copper recycling are substantial. The recycled copper can be reintegrated into the manufacturing process, reducing the reliance on newly mined copper and lowering production costs. This circular approach to copper usage aligns with the principles of a sustainable and circular economy. The scrap copper aluminum radiator recycling plant is a specialized facility designed for the recovery and separation of used radiators, particularly catering to large capacity radiator recycling. Specifically tailored to handle multi-layered and baled radiators, this plant stands out as a crucial solution for the efficient processing of diverse radiator types. At the core of the radiator recycling line is the V4 series, a versatile vertical crusher widely employed in the medium and fine crushing of high hardness and irregular materials. Renowned for its efficacy in non-ferrous metal recovery, this crusher surpasses other types in terms of output and efficiency. Notably, its discharging particle size can be adjusted arbitrarily, unaffected by the wear of the hammerhead and lining plate. The absence of a screen bar setting ensures the smooth removal of challenging materials, preventing equipment damage and optimizing the overall recycling process. With a feed width of 1,100 by 1,100 millimeters and an impressive production capacity of 15 th, the radiator recycling line comprises key components: a shredder, crusher, magnetic separator, and specific gravity separator. This comprehensive system is predominantly utilized for treating copper pipe and aluminum foil waste, typically generated from the meticulous disassembly of waste air conditioning water tanks and automobile water tanks. The recycling process involves a physical crushing and sorting method, where the materials undergo primary crushing followed by secondary crushing. The crushed materials are then subjected to sorting through a magnetic separator, effectively separating copper, aluminum, iron, and other metals. Further refinement occurs through air separation facilitated by the air separator, resulting in the complete and precise segregation of metals. An outstanding feature of this system is its ability to achieve a copper content in copper pipe waste of over 97%, meeting the standard of Grade 1 waste copper. This emphasizes the efficacy of the radiator recycling line in producing high-quality recycled materials. The manufacturing process of loudspeakers at 18 Sound is a harmonious blend of Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering attention to quality. Located in Reggio Emilia, Italy, 18 Sound prides itself on delivering precision Italian loudspeakers that meet the rigorous standards demanded by the professional loudspeaker market. The process begins in the Research and Development Department, where a team of highly skilled engineers collaborates to design and develop innovative loudspeaker technology. This stage involves constant testing and validation to ensure that the design meets the company's high standards. The engineer's goal is to push the boundaries of what is possible, creating products that have not been seen before in the industry. Once the design is finalized, the next step is extensive real-world power testing and validation. This rigorous testing takes place in sealed chambers, where the transducers are subjected to high levels of power for extended periods. This process confirms whether the product can achieve its expected performance and design criteria. Quality control is paramount at this facility. The quality control team establishes stringent standards for both the final product and the raw materials that enter the factory. Raw materials are carefully inspected, milled, and molded to become components of the loudspeakers. This ensures that every part of the product meets the company's quality requirements. The new production facility is equipped with state-of-the-art robotic equipment designed in collaboration with Italy's top robotic engineers. These robots play a crucial role in precise placement of adhesives and coatings, ensuring that the product's design and performance specifications are met. While robotics provide precision, the human touch is not lost. Technicians oversee the production process, combining their understanding of the product with attention to detail. The heart of the manufacturing process lies in the balance between robotic precision and human supervision. This balance results in a meticulous and elegant production process that elevates loudspeakers to a league of their own. The combination of cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship results in products that are not only reliable but also exceptional in quality. End-of-line testing is a critical part of the production process. Every speaker or compression driver is tested for reliability and performance as it comes off the assembly line. The behavior and performance data of each unit are compared to the validating golden sample, and this information, along with a unique serial number and barcode, is stored in the company's archives. This allows for continuous tracking and verification of each speaker's performance data, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Info Team MS, situated in Gero, specializes in the intricate process of printed circuit assembly, PCA, offering a comprehensive and tailored approach to electronic manufacturing. Their well-equipped facility facilitates a systematic production journey that encompasses concept and design. The process begins with the concept and design phase. Here, the client's specifications and requirements are transformed into a feasible electronic design. Production. Once the design is finalized, they transitions into production. Component preparation, including cropping and forming, ensures that each component is ready for integration into the circuit. Assembly. The assembly process includes multiple lines for different soldering methods. Surface mount technology, SMT, lines feature solder paste printing, glue dispensing, component placement, and reflow soldering. This allows them to work with a wide range of components, from small 0201 sized ones to larger BGA, micro BGA, and QFP components. Manual assembly lines are equipped with lead-free and leaded wave soldering facilities, catering to various client needs. Testing. Rigorous testing is a cornerstone of their process. Automated optical inspection, in-circuit testing, and high-voltage safety tests ensure the quality and functionality of the assembled circuits. Custom-designed test fixtures and automated function testing are employed, covering a wide measurement spectrum from DC to 6.5 GHz. Additionally, device programming is offered. Environmental testing. The facility takes product reliability seriously, and this is reflected in their environmental testing capabilities. They subject products to various environmental conditions, from extreme heat and humidity to Arctic sub-zero temperatures, to simulate real-world operating conditions. We will explore the manufacturing process of residential air conditioning at Awal Gulf's factory in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The process begins in the press shop, where various components are fabricated from galvanized iron (GI) coils. This involves cutting to length using shearing machines, ranging from 10 mt to 80 t. Hydraulic and mechanical power presses, with capacities from 60 t to 400 t, shape and form components. CNC punching and bending machines ensure precision in component production. Resistance welding machines with capacities from 23 kV to 150 kV join these parts together. The fabricated components then move to the paint shop for surface finishing. The 5-tank pre-treatment process prepares the surfaces, ensuring proper adhesion for paint. Iron phosphating further enhances corrosion resistance. The components are then powder coated using an electrostatic process, typically with pure polyester powder. This coating is durable, with panels tested to withstand up to 1,000 hours in a salt spray test, SST. Coil shop. In the coil shop, the heat exchanger coils are manufactured. Mechanical fin presses, 30 T, are used to shape the fins, with various hole diameters, 3/8, 5/16, and 7 mm, to suit different models. Mechanical expanders and hairpin benders ensure precise coil construction. The coils are then brazed in a fully automatic oven. Coil binding, return bend, and ring insertion are performed before the coils are sent to a dry-off oven, 130 degrees, to prepare them for the next stage. Before moving on, a critical leak testing process is carried out to ensure the integrity of the coils. The tubing section involves cutting and bending various tubes to precise specifications. Wire cutting machines and tube cutting, bending machines ensure accuracy. Wiring components are crimped, and the entire tubing system is designed to meet the specific requirements of different models. Wiring section. The wiring section involves the assembly of electrical components, including wire cutting and crimping. Specialized machines are used for these tasks. The assembly line is where all the components come together to form the air conditioning unit. Slat conveyors facilitate the movement of components, and a robotic system aids in handling finished goods. Various machines, such as refrigerant charging machines, halogen leak detectors, and corrosion-type vacuumizing systems, are employed in this stage. An online unit performance checking system ensures quality control. Testing labs. The final products are subjected to rigorous testing in the dedicated testing labs to ensure they meet the required quality standards. This includes functional testing, safety checks, and performance evaluations. Philips, a renowned name in the television industry, has a rich history dating back to its inception in 1891 in the Netherlands. What began as a small light bulb factory evolved into a global technology giant, pioneering innovations in various fields, including electronics, audio, and television manufacturing. One of the pivotal moments in Philips' history was its introduction of the world's first color television in the 1970s. Their innovation continued into the 1980s when they developed the first flat-screen TVs. This commitment to technological advancement has been a hallmark of the company. Today, Philips TVs are primarily manufactured in Gorzów Wielkopolski, Poland. The Philips TV factory in Poland stands as one of Europe's largest and most advanced television manufacturing facilities. Covering a vast 135,000 square meters of floor space and equipped with 10 production lines, the factory is a hub of activity. Approximately 2,000 permanent employees work there, with an additional 500 on-call workers during busy periods, such as Christmas. This ensures a continuous, 24-hour production schedule with 4 shifts, allowing the factory to produce a new TV every 2 seconds at full capacity. Philips' choice to manufacture in Poland is rooted in the availability of skilled labor and a well-developed supply chain in the country. Poland's tradition in electronics manufacturing and a highly skilled workforce have been instrumental in maintaining the quality and precision of Philips TVs. The Xiaomi Mi 4 is more than just a smartphone. It's a masterpiece meticulously crafted from steel, representing the union of engineering precision and artistic finesse. This intricate process unfolds over 40 meticulous steps and involves a staggering 193 precise processes, all with the singular aim of transforming ordinary steel into a masterpiece of engineering and design. At its core, this journey begins with the selection of the finest grade steel. Through a blend of modern technology and skilled craftsmanship, this raw material embarks on a transformational odyssey. The steel is pressed into shape, expertly cut, and then meticulously forged, each step inching closer to perfection. Then the steel is milled with precision, ensuring the device's every contour reflects thoughtful design. To achieve a flawless finish, sandblasting techniques are employed, resulting in a texture that is both pleasing to the eye and comfortable to the touch. But the journey doesn't stop there. The steel is further fortified and coated to ensure durability and longevity. Beyond the artistry and steel transformation, the Xiaomi Mi 4 is a technological marvel. It boasts a 5-inch sharp JDIOGS fully laminated touchscreen with a high-resolution display, offering an immersive visual experience. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 chipset, it was once the fastest Android smartphone, a testament to Xiaomi's dedication to cutting-edge technology. Its 13-megapixel primary camera and 8-megapixel secondary camera capture life's moments with clarity and precision. The struggle to strip away copper cables and wires using traditional methods, such as burning and melting away the plastic coating, is a well-known challenge. Those engaged in this laborious process are likely aware of the significant drawbacks associated with it. Burning away the plastic or PVC sheathing around copper wires can result in the copper losing up to 30% in weight, ultimately reducing potential income. Furthermore, with the introduction of new legislation regarding the burning of copper wire, the need for a more efficient and environmentally friendly solution becomes even more crucial. Enter the revolutionary superstrip, a game-changer in the world of copper wire stripping. This innovative tool not only makes the process easy but also ensures the production of the ideal shiny, bright copper that holds immense value. Selling for less is no longer necessary. Instead, one can choose the best and witness a substantial rise in income with the superstrip. One of the primary advantages of the superstrip is its ability to preserve the weight and quality of copper. While traditional methods result in a loss of up to 30% in weight, the superstrip ensures that the valuable shiny, bright copper remains intact. This preservation of quality translates to a significant financial benefit, with a 4 to 5 rand difference per kilogram between burnt and stripped copper. By opting for the superstrip, users can add a value of 4,000 to 5,000 rand per ton of copper, maximizing their earnings. Productivity is another key area where the superstrip outshines traditional methods. With this revolutionary tool, users can now strip up to 3 times more cable and wire in a day compared to conventional methods. The machine's efficiency lies in its automatic separation of copper and PVC by stripping the PVC from the copper wire. This not only streamlines the process but also ensures a higher output. Ease of use is a hallmark feature of the superstrip. The machine can strip any thin or cabled wires, including problematic ones. Users can easily select the cable size guide, adjust the cable feeder, and strip away, making the entire process user-friendly and efficient. In case the wire gets stuck for any reason, the superstrip offers a reverse action, allowing users to resolve the issue with a simple switch. Environmental friendliness is a crucial aspect in today's world, and the superstrip addresses this concern. The machine not only preserves the quality of copper but also yields a profitable quantity of scrap PVC, further contributing to the user's income while minimizing waste. The superstrip is versatile, capable of handling copper cables ranging from 32 millimeters to thinner sizes. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a variety of applications, ensuring that users can efficiently strip different types of copper wires. China's smartphone manufacturing industry has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past 2 decades. From a humble beginning as an assembler of low-end mobile phones, China has rapidly evolved into a global smartphone manufacturing powerhouse. This transformation is marked by astonishing growth in production numbers, increased technological sophistication, and the emergence of globally recognized brands. Let's delve into the specifics of this incredible development. Explosive growth in production. China's ascent in the smartphone manufacturing industry is characterized by explosive growth in production numbers. In the early 2000s, Chinese factories were primarily focused on assembling feature phones, which were basic mobile devices without the advanced capabilities of today's smartphones. However, as smartphones gained popularity, Chinese manufacturers quickly adapted to meet the rising demand. By 2011, China had already surpassed the United States as the world's largest smartphone market. This milestone marked the beginning of a meteoric rise in smartphone production. In 2012, China produced approximately 290 million smartphones. Fast forward to 2020, and China's smartphone production reached an astonishing 1.4 billion units, according to the China Academy of Information and Communications Technology, CAICT. This number accounted for over 70% of the world's total smartphone production. The growth in production numbers can be attributed to several factors. First and foremost, China's vast pool of low-cost labor played a significant role in the industry's expansion. The availability of skilled labor willing to work for lower wages than their Western counterparts allowed manufacturers to keep production costs down. Furthermore, the country's well-developed infrastructure and supply chain networks made it an ideal location for large-scale manufacturing. Technological advancements and innovation. China's smartphone manufacturing industry's development is not just limited to quantity. It also includes remarkable strides in technological advancements and innovation. In the early days, Chinese smartphone manufacturers were primarily focused on copying designs and features from established global players. However, over the years, they shifted their focus towards creating their own innovations. One key area of technological advancement has been in the development of smartphone components. Chinese companies, such as Huawei, Xiaomi, and Oppo, invested heavily in research and development, leading to the creation of cutting-edge technologies. For example, Huawei's Kirin chipsets, Xiaomi's advanced camera systems, and Oppo's fast-charging technologies are just a few examples of Chinese innovations that have garnered global recognition. China's increased emphasis on innovation is also evident in the field of 5G technology. Chinese companies, particularly Huawei, have been at the forefront of 5G development. In 2020, China became one of the first countries to launch widespread 5G networks, and its domestic market became a testbed for 5G-enabled smartphones and applications. Moreover, China's smartphone manufacturing industry has also made significant strides in software development. Companies like Xiaomi have developed highly customized Android-based operating systems, while Huawei launched its own Harmony OS. These software platforms not only provide a unique user experience but also reduce dependence on Western tech giants like Google. Global recognition and emerging brands. The incredible development of China's smartphone manufacturing industry has led to the emergence of globally recognized brands. While Western companies like Apple and Samsung still dominate the high-end smartphone market, Chinese brands have successfully penetrated the mid-range and budget segments, both at home and abroad. Xiaomi, founded in 2010, quickly rose to prominence with its Mi and Redmi series of smartphones. Known for offering high-quality devices at competitive prices, Xiaomi became the fourth largest smartphone manufacturer in the world by market share in 2018, according to IDC. The company's aggressive marketing and global expansion strategy allowed it to gain recognition beyond China's borders. Huawei, another Chinese tech giant, has also become a household name in the smartphone industry. Renowned for its advanced camera technology and high-end flagship devices, Huawei's P and Mate series of smartphones have attracted a global following. However, the company faced challenges in the international market due to security concerns, leading to restrictions in some countries. Oppo and Vivo, both owned by BBK Electronics, are other Chinese smartphone manufacturers that have expanded their reach worldwide. These companies are known for their innovative camera features and sleek designs. They have established a strong presence in emerging markets. The development of the smartphone accessories manufacturing industry in India has been a remarkable success story over the past decade. With the proliferation of smartphones and the increasing demand for complementary products, this industry has grown exponentially, offering various accessories such as cases, screen protectors, chargers, headphones, and more. The growth of this sector can be attributed to several key factors, including the increasing smartphone penetration in India, favorable government initiatives, and the emergence of local and international manufacturers. Rising smartphone penetration. India has witnessed a significant increase in smartphone adoption in recent years. According to data from the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, as of September 2021, there were over 1.15 billion wireless subscribers in India, with a substantial portion of these users owning smartphones. This surge in smartphone usage created a substantial market for related accessories. Favorable government initiatives. The Indian government's Make in India initiative has played a pivotal role in boosting local manufacturing. It aimed to transform India into a global manufacturing hub by encouraging domestic production and reducing dependency on imports. Incentives and concessions provided under this program have attracted both domestic and foreign companies to establish manufacturing units in India. Many smartphone accessory manufacturers have benefited from these incentives, leading to increased production and job opportunities. Localization of manufacturing. Several international smartphone companies have recognized the potential of the Indian market and have set up manufacturing facilities for their devices in the country. With the increase in smartphone production, the demand for accessories also surged. As a result, smartphone accessory manufacturers have closely followed this trend, establishing their units in India to cater to the needs of both domestic and international markets. Employment generation. The growth of the smartphone accessories manufacturing industry has had a significant impact on employment generation. As of 2021, this sector had provided employment opportunities to hundreds of thousands of people across the country. From skilled labor involved in assembly and quality control to managerial roles, the industry has diversified the job market and contributed to reducing unemployment. Supply chain strengthening. The development of this industry has led to the strengthening of India's supply chain infrastructure. Companies have invested in establishing robust logistics and distribution networks to efficiently cater to the vast and diverse Indian market. This has not only benefited the smartphone accessories sector but also positively impacted other industries. Investment and expansion. Several domestic and international companies have invested heavily in India to capitalize on the growing demand for smartphone accessories. Investments have been made in research and development, product innovation, and the expansion of manufacturing facilities. These investments have resulted in a more diverse and competitive marketplace. Export opportunities. India has also emerged as a significant exporter of smartphone accessories. These products are in demand not only within the country but also in international markets. Investment casting, also known as lost wax casting, is a metalworking process deeply rooted in history, with origins that can be traced back thousands of years. This intricate method finds wide applications across various industries due to its ability to produce complex and intricately detailed parts. As with any manufacturing technique, investment casting comes with a set of distinctive advantages and disadvantages that play a crucial role in its suitability for specific applications. Advantages of investment casting. One of the most prominent advantages of investment casting is its capacity to manufacture parts with intricate and complex geometries. This process excels in producing components with fine details, including filigree patterns, undercuts, and thin walls. Such capabilities make investment casting an ideal choice for applications in aerospace, automotive, and even jewelry manufacturing. The surface finish of parts produced through investment casting is typically excellent. This smooth finish often eliminates the need for extensive post-processing, which is especially valuable in industries where aesthetics and precision are paramount. Moreover, investment casting can achieve tight tolerances and exceptional dimensional accuracy, meeting the stringent requirements of industries like aerospace and medical devices. The versatility of investment casting is another notable advantage. It can be employed with a wide range of materials, encompassing ferrous and non-ferrous metals as well as various alloys. This adaptability makes it a versatile choice suitable for numerous industries. Furthermore, investment casting is eco-friendly to some extent because it generates less material waste compared to traditional machining processes. Since it is a near-net shape process, less material is discarded during production, contributing to cost and resource savings. Disadvantages of investment casting. Investment casting is not without its challenges. The process is notably complex, involving multiple steps such as pattern creation, ceramic shell formation, wax removal, metal casting, and finishing. This complexity can lead to longer lead times and higher production costs compared to other casting methods, which is a drawback that must be considered. Another drawback is the initial expense associated with tooling. Creating the initial wax pattern and ceramic shell mold can be costly, particularly for low-volume productions. However, it's important to note that this cost can often be justified by the process's ability to create intricate and detailed parts. Investment casting tends to be more cost-effective for small to medium production runs. For high-volume productions, alternative casting methods like die casting may be more economically viable. Size and weight constraints are also a limitation of investment casting. Large and heavy parts are typically better suited for alternative casting processes, as this method is typically more appropriate for producing smaller and lighter components. Despite the generally excellent surface finish, investment castings can sometimes suffer from defects like porosity, surface cracks, or inclusions. This highlights the importance of proper quality control measures and thorough inspection processes to minimize such issues and maintain product quality. Lastly, the investment casting process, like many industrial processes, has environmental considerations. It generates emissions and waste, particularly during the shell building phase. Addressing these environmental concerns may require additional investment in mitigation measures and adherence to environmental regulations.